This is Susmita from Beacon Computers first year. Now we are discussing about Fayol's 14 principles of management. Henry Fayol is called as father of modern management. In these 14 principles of management, first one is division of work. Work should be divided among the individuals and groups to ensure that effort and attention are focused on the special portions of the task. Fayal presented work specialization as the best way to use the human resources of the organization. And the second one is authority and responsibility. Authority refers to the right of a superior to give order to subordinate, take decisions on specified matters. Responsibility, on the other hand, includes obligation with respect to performance of functions and achieving goals in the satisfactory manner. And the third one is discipline. Discipline in the context of management means obedience. Smooth running of business requires discipline. And the fourth one is unity of command. The principle states that workers should receive orders from only one manager. No employee, therefore, should receive instructions from more than one person. The principle is necessary to avoid confusion and conflict. And the fifth one is unity of direction. According to this principle, the efforts of all the members of the organization should be directed towards common goals. And the sixth one is subordination of individual to common interest. The interest of the firm as a whole is more important than the interest of an individual or group of persons. Individual interest must be subordinated to the general interest or the interest of the whole firm. And the seventh one is remuneration of personnel. Remuneration should provide maximum possible satisfaction to employees and the employer. And the eighth one is centralization. Under centralization, manager or executives play an important role. It refers to the extent to which authority is concentrated or dispersed. And the ninth one is scalar chain. The scalar chain is the chain of superiors ranging from the ultimate authority to the lowest ranks. It shows the line of authority from the highest executive to the lowest one for the purpose of communication. And the tenth one is order. Order requires that there is a place for everything and everything in its place. Social order requires the employment of the right man in the right place. And the 11th one is equity. Equity is a combination of kindliness and justice. The manager should show kindness and justice in dealing with their subordinates. And the 12th one is stability of tenure of personnel. High turnover increases the inefficiency. If he knows that he has to work at one place only, he will take interest in the give his best performance. And the 13th one is initiative. Initiative involves thinking out and execution of a plan and ensuring its success. It gives energy to an organization. And the 14th one is spirit de corps. It implies that union is strength which comes from the harmony of the personnel. It should always encourage team spirit and teamwork. This ensures smooth working of the concern. And thank you.